Well, once again, let's talk about Shibadoge getting more listening. Now, Shibadoge have gotten one of the biggest listening, and the P2B exchange have listed Shibadoge coin. Now, Shibadoge have gotten a total of 10 exchanges that have listed Shibadoge coin. This is a good news for Shibadoge coin. Within the space of 6 months, Shibadoge have gained over 8 exchanges listing Shibadoge coin. You can see this coin is really gaining a lot. It's not even quite long ago that Shibadoge was listed just by Uniswap V2, and right now we are talking about over 10 exchange listening Shibadoge. 10 exchanges listening Shibadoge is amazing. This coin is already going to the moon. This coin is already pumping. This coin is getting massively ready to delete zeros. This coin is it's getting ready to really delete zeros, and I believe that Shibadoge coin, with the way they are going, this coin can hit over 100,000% in the nearest future. Even 1,000,000% is possible with Shibadoge coin. All we need right now is more exchanges to list this coin. At least I'm expecting between 10 to 15 more or 20 exchanges coming in for Shibadoge coin, and this includes the top exchanges. Now, P2B is one of the top crypto exchanges. Now, sometimes some people might not know the name like that, because so many people what people knows mostly is also Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Get.io, Kucoin, but P2P still remain one of the top crypto exchange. Yes, they control millions of spot trading cap every day. Okay, they control millions, and for them to come and list Shibadoge, I'm happy to see that P2P have actually listed Shibadoge, and this will benefit Shibadoge a lot. Shibadoge still remain one of the best crypto coins one can start to buy or invest. Yes, it is good to buy some little coins of Shibadoge coin, because you can never tell. Remember what happened to Shiba Inu, to Solana, to even to BNB, which started in 2018. I think BNB started from 10 cents. Today we all see where the price of BNB. So I believe with the project they have, with the way they have been following up, this coin right now is one of the best coins to buy. I'm going to buy more coins of Shibadoge. Yes, I'm buying more Shibadoge coin. But please remember, you want to buy what you can afford to lose. That is the major thing here. Don't go and invest a lot of money on Shibadoge, please. So let's hope for the best, and I believe that Shibadoge will definitely make us proud. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.